Hello students, how are you all of you? I hope you have done the homework and enjoying the video. Today I am going to teach you dictionary skill. We have to arrange the words alphabetical order. Read these words here given. Here given the example. With this example you can complete the given exercise. Okay. Let us move. Rice, red, rose, rat. These are the words. Okay, all four words are started with R letter. Okay, see carefully all of you. So we have to arrange these words alphabetically. Alphabetically means here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, X, Y, Z. All these words are, we have arranged them. I have written alphabetically A to Z 26 letter. So these words, these spellings, we have to arrange them alphabetically. How? Rice, red, rose, rat. First letter is started with here R letter. Both are started with the same letter R. So we have to concentrate on second letter. Here I is come. We can't select I because we have to choose them alphabetically. Choose the alphabetical word letter. Is there A? A? Yes, here A. So we have to write them. So rat word will become first. Okay. Next, after A, we have to check the letters. Red, rose, rice. After A, B, C, D, E. E letter comes. E letter comes. So rat. After rat, which word will come? Red. Then E after letter, which letter comes? Rise. I is there. Okay. So I am writing here rise. Last remaining letter will become last. Okay. Rose. Because O letter comes after the I letter. After these many letters J, K, L, M, N, O. O letter comes after the N. So rose word will become the last. Okay, dear students. Let us move. The question here, rewrite these words in alphabetical order. Here given the question, butter baby bee. As per I have told you, we have to choose the word alphabetically. Okay. Which word will come? All the letters, all the spelling started with B letter. Okay. B, butter. Okay. We have to concentrate on second letter. If there A, so we have to choose them first. Baby will become here first. Then after A, which letters come? B, C, D, E. Yes, E came. So we have to count. We have to check carefully which letter comes. B spelling will become second. Then butter. Remaining letter will become last. Butter. Next. Like this we have to arrange the spelling alphabetically. Second, nice, nurse, neat. Here, nice, nurse, neat. We have to concentrate on the second letter because first letter is same. Nice, nurse, neat. Which will come first? Neat will come because A word is not there in the spelling. B is not there. C, D, E comes. So neat words will come first. Neat. Then nice. Remaining letter nurse. Okay. Next, judge, jam. All the letters started with the J letters, same letter. So we have to consider the second letter. Jam will become first because second letter is given A. Jam. Second, O comes or U comes first. In alphabetically, O comes. So we have to choose it second. jog. Next is judge. Remaining letters we have to put lastly. Okay. Next spelling mother, Mary, music. All the letters started with M letter. All the spellings here. So we have to concentrate on second letter. A is there already given. So we have to put Mary in first. Second will come mother or music. O come first after the U. Sorry, before U, which letter comes? O. So mother will become second. Third is music. Next, popcorn, parrot, prince. Which word will come first? Alphabetically, parrot will come. So parrot is the first. Then popcorn, because R is letter comes after the O alphabetically. Okay, popcorn will become second. We have to concentrate on second letter. R is comes after the O letter. So popcorn will be write in the second form. Next remaining letter will come prince. Lastly, next 6 number kite, keep, knife. Here is the given the spelling kite, keep, knife. All the letters started with the K letter. So let us move the second letter, which will become keep. Keep will become, because E letter comes second time after the, E letters comes alphabetically. So keep word will come first here, keep. Then I will become alphabetically. So I am writing here kite. The remaining words will become lastly. Knife, because N letter comes after the I letter. After means so many letters after come N letter. Next 7, candle, create, corn. Which letter will come? We have to concentrate on the second letter, A. Then R comes first, alphabetic no. O will become this. Corn will become second. Create will become candle, corn, create. Next door, drake, dim. Which word will come? Alphabetically dim. Then second door, third will be drake. Dim, door, drake. See the next corner, writing corner, picture description. With the help of these pictures, we have to write the 2 sentences.